Good day. Today we're going to be looking at how to use the new ZRA Customer Search. So step 1, select accounts, select customer data, then select the account that you would like to be searching the ZRA for, create new. So once you click create new, the screen will appear. You can put in an account ID for the customer, then you click search ZRA, and this is where the magic happens. And now you can type in any company name. For this example, we type in Chrilan technology, and as you see, it will actually find it, and you'll be able to verify the TPIN at the top, and it fills out the exact company name required by ZRA. And you'll see if you change the TPIN number and you try and verify it, it will come back as a negative verification. So if you change it back now, you'll see that it will show that it's correct. So verify TPIN, and now you can just click save, and you've created a customer successfully. So this is how to use the new ZRA search function in Lyt-Soft POS.